Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on lock screen in Samsung Galaxy M04. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Now look for the advanced features, and here we have motions and gestures. Let's check which of the options work on our lock screen. And to do this, we'll need to enable each of the settings, and the first one is lift to wake. Now, if you lock your phone and pick it up with a grip, it should wake up automatically without pressing any button. Next one is double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. So if you lock your phone and then double tap, it will wake up, and if you double tap again, it will lock. Next feature is alert when phone is picked up. Now if you lock your phone, place it somewhere, you get a call or message and you missed it. Next time you pick it up, it will vibrate. Turn over to mute. If you lock your phone and place it upside down, it will mute all incoming calls. And last feature is scroll down notification bar using your fingerprint sensor. So if we lock our phone, we need to wake it up and then scroll down the notification bar using the fingerprint like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.